I picked fresh daffodils from my garden, but I have to wait for them to bloom. While nature takes its time, I could build Lego daffodils instead. No waiting, no watering. This one's already blooming. Let's build one together. It is very quick and easy. I start my daffodil by building the stem. As you can see, it is fairly long. Now let's attach the bud. They look so similar. Time to give our daffodil its petals. And just like that, it's ready and blooming. All it's left to do is attach the leaves. Our daffodil is finished. Let's add 2 more to complete the bunch. Now I need to find 2 vases for them. Here is the first one. For my Lego daffodils, I made a special vase using an empty curry sauce jar. What do you think of it? Leave your thoughts in comments. Real or Lego daffodils? They always bring a bit of spring indoors. Have a great day and see you next time!